Wake up.
Wake up.
Example, I wake up at 6 every day.
I wake up at 6 every day.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Example, please sit down here.
Please sit down here.
Get up.
Get up.
Example, I get up at 6:30 every morning.
I get up at 6:30 every morning.
Turn on.
Turn on.
Example, please turn on the light.
Please turn on the light.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Example, please stand up.
Please stand up.
Get out.
Get out.
Example,
Please get out of the car.
Please get out of the car.
put on.
Put on.
Example, put on your jacket. It's cold.
Put on your jacket. It's cold.
Get in.
Get in.
Example,
Get in the car, please.
Get in the car, please.
turn off.
Turn off.
Example, don't forget to turn off the TV.
Don't forget to turn off the TV.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Example, can you pick up my phone?
Can you pick up my phone?
Take off.
Take off.
Example, please take off your shoes.
Please take off your shoes.
Come in.
Come in.
Example, please come in.
Please come in.
Put down.
Put down.
Example, put down your bag here.
Put down your bag here.
Come back.
Come back.
Example, I'll come back soon.
I'll come back soon.
Go out.
Go out.
Example, I'm going to go out tonight.
I'm going to go out tonight.
Come over.
Come over.
Example,
Why don't you come over tonight?
Why don't you come over tonight?
find out.
Find out.
Example, I need to find out the truth.
I need to find out the truth.
Go back.
Go back.
Example, I need to go back home.
I need to go back home.
Look after.
Look after.
Example, can you look after my baby?
Can you look after my baby?
Look for.
Look for.
Example. I'm looking for my keys.
I'm looking for my keys.
Look up.
Look up.
Example. I'll look up the word online.
I'll look up the word online.
Look at.
Look at.
Example. Look at this picture.
Look at this picture.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Example. Hurry up. We're late.
Hurry up. We're late.
Give up.
Give up.
Example. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Hang out.
Hang out.
Example. We hang out after work.
We hang out after work.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Example. Calm down and take a breath.
Calm down and take a breath.
Get back.
Get back.
Example. What time did you get back?
What time did you get back?
Grow up.
Grow up.
Example. I grew up in Cambodia.
I grew up in Cambodia.
Eat out.
Eat out.
Example.
Let's eat out tonight.
Let's eat out tonight.
Work out.
Work out.
Example. I work out 3 times a week.
I work out 3 times a week.
Carry on.
Carry on.
Example. Please carry on with your work.
Please carry on with your work.
Throw away.
Throw away.
Example. Please throw away the empty bottle.
Please throw away the empty bottle.
Run out of.
Run out of.
Example. We've run out of milk.
We've run out of milk.
Call back.
Call back.
Example. I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later.
Fill out.
Fill out.
Example. Please fill out this form.
Please fill out this form.
Break down.
Break down.
Example. My car broke down on the way to work.
My car broke down on the way to work.
Hang up.
Hang up.
Example. Please don't hang up.
Please don't hang up.
Check out.
Check out.
Example. We checked out of the hotel at 11 a.m.
We checked out of the hotel at 11 a.m.
Check in.
Check in.
Example. We checked in at the hotel at 2 p.m.
We checked in at the hotel at 2 p.m.
Get on.
Get on.
Example.
We got on the bus at 8 a.m.
We got on the bus at 8 a.m.